Modinex Group is bringing you a new decking solution unlike any you've seen before. Pound for pound, it's the strongest decking in the world. Tractio Decking is not only lightweight, but strong enough to withstand even the most brutal conditions. This is the first wood-like decking with absolutely no organic material. It's made from a blend of advanced plastic polymers and durable minerals. Those materials are combined and then stretched. As it stretches, the internal structure changes. The plastic begins to pull away from the mineral filler. This introduces air into the material, a process called cavitation. As a result of cavitation, the material becomes lighter. It also has greater volume and maintains its strength. Stretching also does something even more remarkable. It gives Tractio Decking a fibre structure and high strength-to-weight ratio that is remarkably similar to wood. Capped with one of the most durable polymers on the market, deck boards won't stain or fade. Tractio Decking by Modinex Group is also one of the most stable decking solutions on the market. Thermal expansion and contraction are virtually non-existent. Tractio is backed by our industry-leading 25-year structural, 25-year stain-resistant, and 25-year fade warranty. The warranty even covers the deck board installed in ground or water. Decking by Modinex Group, decking's new powerhouse.